Here are 3 facts about starfish that will surprise you. Did you know that starfish have eyes? But that's not surprising because we know that many sea stars such as octopuses and even jellyfish have eyes. What is most interesting is that the eyes are there, just not in the place you would expect. Sea stars have an eye spot at the end of each arm. This means that a 5-armed sea star has 5 eyes, while the 40-armed sea star has 40 eyes. Each sea star's eye is very simple and looks like a red spot. It doesn't see much in detail, but it can sense light and dark, which is just enough for the environments the animals live in. If that did not surprise you, this one will. They have a bizarre way of eating food. Sea stars prey on mussels and clams as well as small fish, snails and barnacles. If you have ever tried to open the shell of a clam or mussel, you know how difficult it is. However, sea stars have a unique way of eating these creatures. A sea star's mouth is on its underside. When it catches its food, the starfish will wrap its arms around the animal's shell and pull it open just slightly. Then it does something amazing. The starfish pushes its stomach through its mouth and into the clam shell. It then digests the animal and slides its stomach back into its own body. This unique feeding mechanism allows the starfish to eat larger prey than it would otherwise be able to fit into its tiny mouth. And lastly, did you know that sea stars can change gender? Depending on the availability of food and the water temperature, a sea star can change its gender to whichever one is best suited for its environment. Many species are born as either male or female and retain their assigned gender until death. However, the cushion star does things a little differently. All of their babies are born as males. Once the males mature to a certain point, they stop producing sperm and begin creating eggs. How bizarre! In the meantime, take a look at these other videos that might surprise you more. Or maybe check out the video on the right where I talked about why are starfish shaped like stars.